In this video, I will show you how to remove grid lines from TradingView step by step. First, open TradingView and go to the chart where you want to remove the grid lines. Once you are on the chart, move your cursor to an empty area of the chart background. Now right-click anywhere on the chart. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Chart Settings window. At the top of the Settings window, go to the Canvas tab. Now look for the section called Grid Lines. Here you should see options for the vertical grid lines and horizontal grid lines. To remove the grid lines, simply change the color of both vertical and horizontal grid lines to transparent, or reduce the opacity all the way down if that option is available. Once you do that, the grid lines will disappear from your TradingView chart. After making the changes, click OK or simply close the settings window, and that's it. You have successfully removed the grid lines from your TradingView chart. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials.